Hello everyone, welcome to Try Talk English, a place where learning English is not just about speaking a language. It's about becoming a better and stronger version of yourself. Have you ever known many English words but still couldn't form a sentence? You understand vocabulary, you even know grammar rules, but when it's time to speak, you freeze and the words suddenly disappear from your mind. If this happens to you, you're not alone. Many English learners experience the same problem. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 simple but powerful tips that can help you turn a small sentence into a long, natural English sentence with confidence. The secret structure that helps you build sentences easily, how to remove the fear of speaking English, and how to express your ideas confidently in longer sentences. By the end of this video, you will realize something very important. Building long sentences in English is actually much easier than you think. So, stay with me, because in just a few minutes, you'll see how easy it is to turn a simple sentence into a long English sentence. Before we build long English sentences, we must understand one simple idea. Every long sentence begins with a very small sentence. Think of it like building a tree. The tree starts with a small seed, then it slowly grows branches and leaves. English sentences grow the same way. They start small and then we add information step by step. So first we create a simple core sentence. A core sentence has 3 basic parts: subject plus verb plus information. Let's see a simple example. I learn English. Here, I is the subject, learn is the verb, English is the information. And just like that, you already have a complete English sentence. This sentence is short, clear, and natural. Now here is something very important to remember. Fluent speakers do not start with long sentences. They start with simple ideas first. So if your sentences feel small right now, that is perfectly okay. Simple sentences are the foundation of fluent English. And once your brain becomes comfortable with these short sentences, we can slowly make them longer. Now let's move to the second step. This is where the magic really happens. We already have our small sentence, I learn English. Now we will slowly grow the sentence by adding small pieces of information. Now let's add a small detail about time. I learn English every day. Now let's add another detail, place. I learn English every day at home. Now let's add another small piece of information. I learn English every day at home by watching videos. And now we add the reason or purpose. I learn English every day at home by watching videos to improve my speaking skills. Now look at what happened. They started with a very small sentence, I learn English. And slowly it became a longer, more natural sentence. But we did not make it difficult. We only added small pieces one by one. This is exactly how fluent speakers build sentences in real conversations. They do not think about a long sentence first. They start small and then grow the sentence naturally. So remember this simple rule. Start small, add details, grow the sentence step by step. Now let me give you 5 simple tips that will make sentence building much easier. Tip number 1. Don't memorize long sentences. Many learners try to memorize entire paragraphs, but that usually creates more pressure. Instead, start with a simple sentence and slowly add information. That's how confidence grows. Tip number 2. Always find the subject and the verb. Whenever you see an English sentence, ask yourself 2 questions. Who is doing the action and what is the action? For example, I drink coffee. Who is doing the action? I. What is the action? Drink. Once you find these 2 parts, most of the sentence becomes much easier to understand. Tip number 3. Practice expanding one sentence every day. Don't try to learn 50 sentences. Take one sentence and make it longer. For example, I study English. I study English at home. I study English at home every day. I study English at home every day with my mobile phone. Can you see what's happening? The sentence is growing naturally, and your brain is learning how English really works. Tip number 4. Ask yourself simple questions. Where? When? How? Why? For what purpose? Every answer adds a new piece of information, and every new piece of information helps your sentence become longer and more natural. If you don't know what to say next, simply ask one of these questions. Your sentence will continue growing automatically. And finally, tip number 5. Don't think about English as a collection of grammar rules. Think about English as a pattern. A short sentence is like a seed. A long sentence is like a tree. The seed grows into the tree. And the same thing happens with English sentences. In fact, there is one powerful pattern that can help you create thousands of sentences. Subject plus verb plus object plus place plus time plus method plus purpose. Let's see it together. I learn English at home every day by watching videos to improve my speaking skills. Notice something important. The sentence looks long, but it's actually just one simple idea with extra information added step by step. And once you understand this pattern, you will never be afraid of long English sentences again. You will be able to create your own sentences naturally, confidently, and fluently. Now let's do a quick speaking practice together. Repeat after me. I drink coffee. I drink coffee every morning. I drink coffee every morning at my desk. I drink coffee every morning at my desk while planning my day. I drink coffee every morning at my desk while planning my day to stay focused and productive throughout the day. Excellent! You're already training your brain to build longer sentences naturally. Now it's your turn. Take this simple sentence. I read books. Make it longer. Add where you read, when you read, how you read, and why you read. Then write your sentence in the comments below. I would love to read your answers. And if today's lesson helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join our growing English learning family. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and remember, every fluent speaker once started with a simple sentence. I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep speaking English.